ॐ हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पोषणपावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये. I welcome everybody to the Swadhyaya Jnana Yajna program of Academy of Yoga and Oriental Studies. This is a lecture series on Gheranda Samhita by Dr. Indulata Das, Director, Academy of Yoga and Oriental Studies, Bhubaneswar. This is lecture number 6 on Gheranda Sangita and lecture number 5 on the first chapter of Gheranda Sangita. Today we'll discuss Neti Karma. As we have already discussed that there are 7 sadhanas. The yoga in Gheranda Samhita is called Hatastha Yoga, and there are 7 sadhanas in the Hatastha Yoga. The 7 sadhanas are Swadhanam, Dridhata, Chaiva, Stharjam, Dharjam, Cha Laghavam, Pratyakhyam, Cha Nirliptam, Cha Ghatasya Sapta Sadhanam. That means purification, strengthening of body, steadiness of body, calmness or patience, perceiving the self, and isolation are the 7 sadhanas of Gatastha Yoga. Then the 7 practices to achieve them. There are 7 practices by which the 7 sadhanas can be achieved. The 7 practices are like this: Satkarmana sodhanancha asanena bhave drudham mudraya sthirata chaiva pratyaharena dhirata pranayamat laghavancha dhyanat pratyakhyam atmani samadhina nirliptancha muktireva na samsayaha. This is Gheranda Sangita. This is the description of the Sapta Sadhana. Now, what are these Sapta Sadhanas? Purification is done, Satkarma is done by Satkarma. And then strengthening a body is done by asana. Steadiness by mudra. Calmness or dhirata by pratyahara. Lightness is by pranayama. Perception of self or pratyakhyam atmani, that is by dhyana. And isolation or nirlipta. Nirliptata is by samadhi. Then we discuss the first method, that is Satkarma. There are 6 karmas, as the name signifies. There are 6 karmas. Dautir, Bastis, Tatha, Neti, Lauliki, Tratakam, Tatha, Kapalabhatis, Chaitani, Satkarmani, Samacharet. The Satkarmas are Dhauti, Basti, Neti, Lauliki, Trataka, and Kapalabhati. Dhauti, Basti, Neti, Lauliki, Trataka, and Kapalabhati. These are the 6 methods, are the 6 karmas or 6 kriyas, or the 6 yogic practices in order to purify the body, in order to clean the body. What a sodhana karakam. Now, today we'll discuss about Neti Karma. Neti Karma is an important kriya among the 6 sadhanas, and it is meant for cleaning the nasal passage. So now, what is the technique of Neti Karma? In Gheranda Samhita we find the description. Vitasti matrang sukma sutrang nasanale praveshayat mukhan nirgamayat paschat prachyate neti karmakam. That means the practitioner should take a thin thread. The thread should be 1 span long. Vitasti. Then he should insert it inside the nostril, inside one of the nostrils. Then he should pull it from the mouth. He should pull forward and backward repeatedly, and he should do it through the other nostril. This is called Neti Karma. This is the technique of Neti Karma. Now, what are the benefits of Neti Karma? There is the description of the benefits of Neti Karma in Gheranda Samhita. Sadhana Neti Karyasya Khechari Siddhi Mapnuyat Kapha Dosha Vinasyanti Divya Drushtihi Prajayate. That means, by regular practice of Neti Karma, the practitioner obtains the Siddhi of Khechari, and the problems of Kapha are destroyed. And there is the brilliant sight is bestowed. The sight is very brilliant. Eyesight is very brilliant. Very good. Now let us analyze the benefits which are mentioned in the Gheranda Samhita here. Number 1, there are 3 benefits. As we have seen, the practitioner obtains the Siddhi of Khechari, then problems of Kapha, then eyesight. Number one, let us analyze about the number one Siddhi. That is Khechari Siddhi. Gheranda Samhita says that the practitioner will get Khechari Siddhi by practice of Neti. Now, what is Khechari Siddhi? Kha means sky, Khe means in the sky, Khechari means movement in the sky. Khechari Siddhi means the Siddhi or the supernormal power of moving in the sky. And this is absolutely an exaggeration in order to praise the practice Neti, because by the practice of Neti, nobody can get the supernormal power of moving in the sky. Patanjali has described in detail in Yoga Sutra how to get the supernormal power of moving in the sky. Akasagamana Siddhi, that is described in Yoga Sutra. And by Neti, there is nobody can get the Khechari Siddhi. So it is an exaggeration. It is in order to it is done in order to boost the popularity of the practice. Now there is second meaning of Khechari Siddhi. It may also mean the Siddhi which is obtained by Khechari Mudra. Now, Khechari Mudra is done by inserting the tongue into the palate in a reverse way. We have discussed it earlier while discussing the Hatha Yoga Pradipika, and we will also discuss it in Gheranda Samhita. And the benefit of Khechari Mudra is that the yogi can drink the nectar which oozes from the palate. This is also an exaggeration here because Khechari Mudra is a difficult mudra, and by thorough practice of Khechari Mudra, the practitioner gets the benefit, and it is not possible to get the benefit merely by practicing the Neti Karma. So it is also an exaggeration in order to glorify the Neti Karma. Now let us see the second benefit, which is Kapha Dosa. It is said that the Neti Karma removes the Kapha dosage. This is certainly effective. There are 24 diseases caused by Kapha rogascha vingsatihi. So this is the Neti Karma is a great help in removing most of the problems. There is no doubt about it, because the nasal passage is clear, and mostly the Kapha problems are caused mostly by the congestion by some problem in the nasal passage. So when it is clean, most of the problems caused by Kapha will be removed. There is no doubt about it. Number 3 benefit is bestows brilliant eyesight, and that is also effective. That is possible because Neti is helpful in removing problems over the shoulders. Any problem that occurs on the organs above the shoulders. Shoulder is called Jatru. Jatrudhva, that means above the shoulders. All the problems caused in the organs over the shoulders are called Jatrudhva Jata Roga. In Hatha Yoga Pradipika it is said that Neti Karma, by doing Neti Karma, all the problems above the Jatru or the shoulder will be removed. And certainly the eye problem is one of the Jatu Roga, and naturally it will be removed. There is no doubt about it. Here it is Neti. Himangsu Parida is doing Neti. He is doing it nicely. But instead of using a thread, he is using a rubber pipe, which is available now, and people are doing the Neti Karma by using this rubber tube. He is doing it nicely. Now let us compare the Neti Karma of Gheranda Samhita with the Neti Karma of Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Now, Sutrang Vitasti Susnigdang Nasa Nale Pravesha Mukha Nirgamay Chaisa Neti Siddhe Nigatyate. This is the description given in Hatha Yoga Pradipika. So the meaning is like this: the practitioner should take a 1 span long soft thread. He should make it slippery by smearing oil on it. There is some grammatical mistake. I'm sorry. By smearing oil on it. Then he should insert it into one nostril. Then he should pull it from the mouth. He should rub forward and backward. Then he should repeat the same with the other nostril. So this is Sutrang Vitasti Susnigdhang. Susnigdhang Sutrang. Vitasti Sutrang. Vitasti means one span long. Susnigdha means slippery or smeared by oil. Nasa nale pravesayat means you will have to insert it through the nasal passage. Mukha nirgamaya chesa, that means he has to bring it out through the mukha. That is called neti. So now benefits of neti according to Hatha Yoga Pradipika are like this. Kapala sodhani chaiva divya drushti pradayini jatruddha jata rogogham netirasu nihanti cha. The practice of neti cleans forehead or frontal sinus, kapala sodhani. It bestows excellent eyesight, divya drushti pradayini, that is also said in Gheranda Samhita. Then removes all diseases occurring in the organs above the shoulder. Jatruddha jata rogogha. Jatru means, as I have told, Jatru means shoulder. Urdhva means above the Jatru, above the shoulder. Jata means occurring. Roga means disease. Ogha means samoha or group. All the diseases which occur on the organs above the shoulder, they are removed by the practice of neti. So this is according to Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Now let us compare the process and benefits of Hatha Yoga Pradipika with the benefits and process of Gheranda Samhita. The process is same. There is no difference, no variation in both the processes. Mentions of benefits only differ, and benefits in Hatha Yoga Pradipika are more practical than the benefits. More practical and there are more benefits. More benefits have been enumerated in Hatha Yoga Pradipika than the benefits of Gheranda Samhita. So this is the comparison. Now changes in Neti Kriya in the modern time. In modern time, the old process that thread should be inserted into the nostril is changed, that is replaced by rubber tube. Mostly nowadays a rubber tube is inserted into the nostril. A rubber tube is used in lieu of thread. Then there is another kind of neti, that is called jalaneti. Jalaneti means warm saline water is poured into the nostril. It comes out through the mouth. That is jalaneti. And then dugdhaneti. Dugdhaneti means warm milk is used in lieu of saline water. Then ghritaneti also. Warm ghee is used in lieu of saline water. These are the various netis people are doing in modern time. Thank you for listening to this lecture. If you have any question, you may write in the comment box. I shall be happy to answer your questions.